Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Realize the potency of the God of light, the God of sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Beyond the forms and the vibrations, the all-attractive, omniscient, omnipotent, omnipresent, the enjoyer. In the 17th chapter of the Bhagavad Gita, my attention is drawn to text 5 and 6. Asastra vihitam goram tapyante ye tapo jannah Tambahankara samyukta kamaranga balanvita karsayanta sarirastham bhutagramam machatasa Mam Chivantah Sarirastham Tanvinde Asura Nischayan. It's not in the scriptures that it is directed towards what is harmful to others, to undergo for those who want to do austerities, those persons with pride and egotism, engaging themselves in lust and attachment by the force impelled and tormenting the situation within the body. The combination of material elements has produced a misleading mentality. I also am certainly within, situated in the body. Even those who've understood and are demons. So Asura here, Asura Nischayan, makes clear that the jinn, not all the jinn are demons, but there's jinn who have chosen that. But, the austerities and penances, they're not recommended. Well, you can make penance, but the abuse of penance, whipping yourself and all that, there are criminal penalties to face, but just because God is present doesn't mean that God is incarnate. That's something different. Void meditation tends to trouble, but quality meditation can help establish and maintain comfort. To sacrifice outside of scriptural regulations is sinful life. A true Mahatma knows God as originator and by its personality. Go beyond animalistic survival. A devotee should protect the rights of the plants and animals. If we expect beyond needs, it will probably lead to sin. Figure out the difference between wants and needs. We were not born into ignorance and sin. Swine represents unrestrained appetites, food, sex, and going to the bathroom. The presence of God should not mean we treat all as gods. Oh, well, that fits in perfectly with the verse that I chose, right? Try to eliminate jealousy in your life. Charity should be in God consciousness. Devotional linking is listening, singing, serving creation, visualization, and external forms. Physical prayers, there's a difference. Supplication, do all the extra that you want, but physical prayers are like ritual. Identifying as a servant of God, identifying as a friend of God, and self-sacrifice are the types of devotional service. Spiritual can be understood through the natural world. Other beings change according to material conditions, but God's personality remains the same. The different types of scriptures. There were different types of scriptures to address different types of people. Mainly, it's a time and place thing. Now we have international scripture. An example that has held up is this one here. There's certain things that have been outdated in the Bible, so a lot of New Age groups try to form their own scripture, but that's mischief. Vanna, order, class, color. Not a racial thing. Was alleviating duties. I guess I'm going to leave that. I don't know why it's not, so I guess I have to hold this. Oh, it was alluding to conditions and duties that went beyond such things as birth. Ashram, toil, stepping, a step on a journey, were each to prepare us for the subsequent stages of life. Religious leading and teaching is best when freely offered. Each is meant to sacrifice and accept better authority in life. A victim is exalted at the same time as a victimizer is degraded. Select a spiritual master based on truth and good of teachings. On an ultimate level. Okay, I'm sorry, sometimes I can't read my handwriting. It is said that control and sensuality are the inferior enjoyments. To stop mental and physical activity may seem like it will work in the short term, but whether we're doing this by drugs or by safer beings, the mind and stuff, it fights itself. So that's why you don't just be super ritualistic in your rituals. It's like sit back and watch other people do it. No, do it along with it, or you're going to, whatever stress and all that is going to come. It was there all along. And people are going to say, oh, it's the ritual that's making me so stressed. No, the rest of your life is. You've just given time to think about it. But to be agreeable to the Almighty in faith, energy, memory, mindfulness, and insight leads one towards really being self-controlled. We should only speak and eat to the glory of God. Enlightenment is to control thoughts, emotions, and feelings rather than them ruling you. Rebirth is an outdated concept in the face of living out of love of God. A great personality is enjoyed more for spiritual activity and surrender to God than anything they can do for society as a great humanitarian. Perhaps they end world poverty, but to save a few souls, This is the higher station. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Now, the International Society of Krishna Consciousness recommends chanting this 108 times 16 times a day. Mala beads are typically 108. And I found that this takes between 2 and 3 hours to do, typically. I mean, a nice, comfortable, thoughtful way of saying it.